If you want to make money while you sleep, you have to invest, and the best way to invest is over the long term. So stay with us till the end to know how to make some passive income. Hey guys, welcome back to another money-making episode of Passive Income Ideas. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 3 dirt cheap passive income stocks to buy before April 2022. Before we get into the video, don't forget the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification to not miss out on our future videos. Before heading forward, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies and stocks frequently change, so it might have switched to a whole new value by the time you watch this video. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, and you shouldn't treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, shall we get into the video? Over the last few years, it may have been alluring to shift from a long-term strategy and pursue quick returns. Though with the market's present high valuations, it's more necessary than ever to concentrate on investing for the long term while adhering to your game plan. Though buying stocks is a risky move, they're likely to throw off with the current valuations. So we have a list of 3 dirt cheap stocks you should get your hands on. Here it is. Number 3. Jupiter Fund Management. Jupiter Fund Management Plc is a publicly held investment manager. The company handles mutual funds, hedge funds, client-focused portfolios, and multi-manager yields for its customers. It finances in the public equity markets across the UK, Europe, and global emerging markets. The company also invests in fixed income markets, fund of funds products, hedge funds, and absolute return funds. Jupiter Fund Management Plc was established in 1985 and is based in London, United Kingdom. And for the current price, Jupe is $0.0171863 on the 3rd of April 2022, Sunday, with a 24-hour trading volume of $241,446. Its price has decreased by 7.4% in the last 24 hours and has a flowing supply of 900 million Jupe coins and a total supply of 1 billion. KuCoin is presently the most active exchange if you contemplate buying or selling Jupiter. The FTSE 250 Corporation has seen its share price pummeled in 2022. This is likely due to investors' concern over the appalling war in Ukraine. Undoubtedly, the shares could resume losing height of geopolitical circumstances persistent upsetting the market. However, suppose you can afford to look past the next couple of months. In that case, the possible dividends on offer help reimburse for any continued share price deficiency. Jupiter presently has a monster prediction yield of 8.4%. An important point to be noted is that Jupiter's market is highly competitive, so to keep drawing savers to its services, it may require reducing its charges. This will have a knock-on effect on profits, which, in turn, could put the dividend at the chance of a cut. Now off to the next stock. Number 2. Cmc Markets. Cmc Coin is the brainchild of the crypto marketing campaign. They are a marketing-focused scheme and are the quickest rising crypto marketing agent globally. CMCC is the native coin of Crypto Weekly magazine, with over 100,000 subscribers globally. Their underlying focus behind the CMC coin is to create in the part of collective reward assistance and transfer through redistribution or transfer fees levied on transfer of the CMC coin by its holders. They also have their retail medium and integrated payment gateway using the Amazon network. Payments can be completed via CMC coin, presenting a unique use case while building up volume and demand. In addition, they've designed an altcoin payment gateway that will let retailers receive CMC coin amongst other fellow coins of their choice. This will boost retailers to increase retail sales by accessing an untapped marketplace. CMC has executed 2 precautions to decrease the odds of a dump and help coin holders even further if whales choose to leave some of their coins. CMC coin was created with a long-term notion. The liquidity is locked and the founders' tokens are released over 18 months. CMC considers these safeguards will guard their investments and community at large. Now let us look at the current price of CMC. On the 3rd of April 2022, Sunday, the CMC coin price is $0.082479 with a 24-hour trading volume of $162,047, and the price has decreased by 0.05% in the last 24 hours. It has a flowing supply of 0 CMCC coins and a total supply of 50 million. If you contemplate buying or selling CMC coins, BKEX is currently the most active exchange. Cmc Markets was a major champion from the multiple UK lockdowns and succeeding market volatility. Since then, regardless, the shine has well and truly dampened. The shares have decreased over 40% from where they were in the last year, 2021. However, now can be an ideal entry point. A valuation of 11 times forecasted FY23 revenues could verify cheap if CMC's next trading update is even negligibly more positive than anticipated. Even after cutting its dividend massively this year, CMC still produces 4.4%. That's something worth considering. However, the fact that there are risks cannot be denied. The enterprise in which CMC functions is highly competitive and frequently the target of regulators. Number 1. Taylor Wimpey. If passive income is your priority, considering the UK's most prominent residential developers should also be your priority. Currently, it trades at a low valuation of 7 times forecast earnings. However, even the rivals deal on similarly low PEs considering the situation. That makes it the most inexpensive of the 3 mentioned here. Taylor Wimpey Plc manages a residential developer in the United Kingdom and Spain. It constructs and produces various homes and communities, including apartments to 6-bedroom houses. Taylor Wimpey Plc was established in 1880 and is based in High Wycombe, the United Kingdom. The share price of Taylor Wimpey today on the 3rd of April 2022 is 131.25. Between the 2017 and 2021 calendar years, the firm's revenue boosted from $5.11 billion to $5.5 billion. Despite this, pre-tax profits fell from $894.41 million to $890.47 million. Consequently, earnings per share (EPS) fell to 18p from 20.2p. Corresponding to the 2020 calendar year outcomes, the most current results are tremendous progress. The 2021 revenue constitution was up 53.6% year-on-year. Furthermore, pre-tax profits increased 157% over the same period. This tendency moved the management to restate its growth targets for the 2022 calendar year on the 3rd of March 2022. However, the past interpretation is not necessarily an indicator of future performance. Generally, this company's development is invariant. It is presently profiting from profitable states in the housing market. While there are risks, especially cost inflation and the high cost of borrowing, purchasing shares today could be considered due to the firm's substantial chance of being underrated. Because according to the analysis, the company will also return 10.5p per share to owners of the current financial year. This becomes an inflation-beating 8% yield. Even though there are risks, knowing that the total payout is expected to be covered 1.8 times by profit should be considered positive. No investment comes without risk. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Invest at your own risk. Investors currently have many methods to invest their money and can pick the level of risk that they're ready to handle to meet their needs. You can opt for very secure alternatives such as a certificate of deposit (CD) or dial up the risk and the possible return with investments such as stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs. Or maybe you can accomplish a little of everything, mixing to have a portfolio that manages to do well in nearly any asset circumstances. So, which share do you plan on buying or investing in? That's been for the day. Do you have any more stocks or shares that you have in mind? Please make a comment in the comment box below to let us know. Also, let us know the share you're most interested in and the reasons for your interest. What should we talk about in the next video? I hope that this video has been informative and educational. Don't forget the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications to not miss out on our future videos. Until the next video, goodbye.